For over 4 decades, Praga has been the driving force behind precision-engineered automotive components in South Africa. A company built on innovation, resilience, and world-class quality. At Praga, we don't just manufacture parts, we craft solutions. Established in 1977, we have grown into a leading Tier 1 supplier to major global automotive brands. With state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities, we specialize in metal pressing, robotic welding, and precision assembly. Our advanced press lines and coil feed systems ensure efficiency, consistency, and superior quality in every component we produce.
We are a press and welding facility. We do welding assemblies and then also press parts on heavy steel gauge and the thinner material as well. In the group, we've also obviously got a toolroom facilities in our plant in Rosslyn and our plant in Kaberga. Got CMM facilities, so we can basically build our own tools and we do our own maintenance on our tooling internally as well. Then we've got a metrology department in Rosslyn and in Kaberga where we do our own measurements and our own calibration on our equipment. We have got a training program where we train the people from the lowest level up to the top level management.
At Praga, quality is not a standard, it's an obsession. Our production is governed by global certifications including IATF 16949, ISO 9001 and ISO 14001. Ensuring compliance with the highest industry standards.
We've got a factory of 4,000 squares and that's subdivided in various areas. We're starting off with a roll forming area and then we've got the laser cutting area where we've got a 12 kilowatt fiber laser cutting machine with a bed size of 4 meters by 2 meters and a cutting capacity of 35 millimeters. Then we've got our sheet metal bending area and our pipe bending area. The next area is our welding area. That's also subdivided into our seating area, our stillage area and the track body area. The last area is our press shop consisting of a small press line of 17 presses, 2 presses linked to decoilers, and then we've got our large press line starting with a 1,200 ton and for 500 ton presses also one linked to a decoiler. We're extremely flexible by having the backup of the other Praga in Rosslyn, and we can increase our labor force on a short notice just to suit the new products and product requirement.
Behind every component we produce is a team of skilled professionals dedicated to precision and excellence.
We started here in 2019. We started with only 5 people. At that point, I was the project manager to kick off the plant and get the project off the ground to start the plant up. Since then, we've grown exponentially. We are now almost 230 people in the plant. There's been a substantial amount of money that's been invested in the plant by Mr. Philip Clancy, our MD and owner of the company, putting in a lot of new presses, a lot of new robots, and doing very well in the market in the current industry. We believe that we become quite successful and we are very good at what we do. But ultimately, we have a very strong team, pride ourselves on respect, dignity with one another within our teams. We run a very lean team and we run a very great operation here. We've got a strong team. Most of our team members have been in the automotive industry for more than 20 or 30 years already between them. And we have a very diverse culture in terms of our manpower and our staff count, so to speak. We do a lot of pressed parts of, let's say, coated materials, what we call black metal parts or white parts that we produce here, as well as some uncoated metal parts that are pressed and welded together. Our discipline is both pressing and CO2 welding, as well as projection or resistance welding. And we are intending to stay. We're not here for the short term, we're here for the long run.
Our people are our strength. From engineers to assembly specialists, we invest in talent and training to drive innovation forward. As the industry evolves, so do we.
Praga Technical has, over the past 10 years, invested over 200 million rand into the South African operation, expanding our plants down from the Rosslyn area down into Port Elizabeth, or as we now say, Kaberga. We've been excited about what has happened over the past 10 years and are absolutely excited about the future, the South African automotive industry and Praga's role within it.
With ongoing investments in technology and expansion, Praga is poised for the future. a future driven by efficiency, sustainability, and global competitiveness. Praga is more than just a manufacturer. We are partners in progress, engineering the future with every part we produce. Precision, innovation, excellence. That's the Praga way.